Something was very important for Mario and Cat and Bird. So I say. Cat was trying to find Bird and Mario, but they didn't find them. I was looking for him for the whole days. Where is he? And then he looked at the sky and thought an idea. This should be at the top of the ceiling. Oh, hi. Oh, Red, how have you been? Well, I just have a really important mission. So, will you come with me? I don't have that time to go there. Okay, so when I will not. Alright, so just gonna come. Okay, let's go. Let's go find Mario. And we have very important news for you. So we can go to the main office to go to Mario's. A few moments later, they already arrived to Mario's office. And ready, Cat and Bird? Yes, Joan. I'm the camera that's holding me. All right, let's go inside. Okay, let's go inside. After they get inside, they have an important meeting. A few moments later, they are here. Hello? Oh, hello. I am Mario. I work here for every day. How was your meeting for today? Well, I have it. Do you speak in Spanish? No, I don't speak in Spanish. Okay. Can we just tell something to you? Oh yeah, that's such an important mission. Well, we're just trying to find the newspaper for you, for the news. And trying to find the bill in there. Oh. You were just trying to find the newspaper of me? No. Gosh. If you know where's the newspaper, leave me the comments below. We don't know where's the newspaper. You would just follow me to the next room, okay? The next room is 105. So, we leave the exit? No. You just go to the elevator. Oh, so we will go to the elevator. To be continued. Click the subscribe button and don't forget to watch part 2 video. Click here to subscribe to watch another video. Wasn't that awesome? If you like that video inside it, make sure you hit the down button below. Click here to watch another video and click here to subscribe to we add something new. Until next time, good day. We will upload it part 2.